Where'd he go? That right there is a snail in the water. That bird's trying to eat it, but we're standing right here, so it's scared of us. Let's see what happens.
Got my eyes on you.
We'll step back some more so he's not afraid anymore. Josh is calling him names, threatening to throw rocks at him if he hurts that snail. Let's see what happens.
No.
He got it.
Josh, the one. Meaty, huh? Oh gosh, you gonna eat all of that thing?
Probably.
Josh, let him eat. I gotta scare him away. It's too late now.
He's retreating back inside his shell. Hey, when he's done, I'm taking that shell.
Dude, that really shrunk a lot, didn't you?
He's hiding in his shell.
For memory. And for look,
Hey, give me back my shell. Hey!
I'm going in. Let's see what it looks like.
Watch as Josh gets beat up by this bird. Hey, that's... Did you take the shell? Let's see if he's alive. On the bright side, from this encounter, I got a really cool shell.